This is my one-of-a-kind 1981 Sleekcraft speedboat day cruiser. I don't know which one to call the thing. Sick cabin on it. The reason it's one of a kind is because it's one of 6 twin-engine examples, and the only one to ever come with Mercruiser 485s, which were only made between the years of 1980 and 1982. This one I just finished rebuilding after a long 8 months, and we are going to haul it across the state to a riverboat rally with a bunch of race boats in the St. Johns River, and well, let's hope it goes well. I'll see you there. We'll turn the camera back on if anything breaks. Hopefully not. All right, fellers, fellettes, and whatever else you may call your thing, we're hooked up and on our way. Let's see how this goes with the minivan. All right, fellers, we made it here safe and sound, which is nothing short of a miracle. We didn't blow any tires. The minivan didn't blow up. I thought we were about to lose the transmission for a hot second there, but there's some other people here already. There's a nice little hydro stream behind me, and then we got the giant gold monstrosity. Let's get checked into the hotel and see what the day brings. All right, fellers, fellettes, and whatever else you may call your thing, we got it parked up at the hotel. Get inside, take a little load off, because trailer in this thing here was a little nerve-wrenching, if you could say. It's a very old 44-year-old steel. Definitely doesn't have a ton of life left in it, but it still works. So let's see what the day will bring. So here we are at the back of the hotel, the St. Johns River, with the big old power plant over there. It's actually pretty beautiful out here. A little windy for me. I don't know that, you know, I want to take the boat out in unknown waters like this, but maybe I will. I don't know. Maybe we'll wait till tomorrow. Guess you'll find out in a couple seconds. Ooh. Well, fellers, we had some time to kill, so we're gonna check out a sex shop. Yeah, okay. I couldn't show you guys anything in there, but woo, was that an experience. Well, everybody, it's the morning, ready to go out. Everybody's here with all their speedboats. A lot faster than mine. I'm the slowpoke here, but you know, at least my boat's big and gold. We'll get on the water and get right back with you. Get back in the boat, doggy. time with that one. Let me get a good shot of the boat.
Yeah. Perfect. That's great.
Give me a call.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Oh, here we go, fellers and fellettes. We're at an unknown ramp on an unknown waterway with the unproven boat. Let's see how it goes. Let's get this puppy in the water and hopefully not sink or break down. The old girlfriend's helping out. Let's get her done. Alright guys, we made it in the water. I don't think she's sinking. Let's get it fired up and see what kind of trouble we can cause.
There goes one. Look at that, they both started up. First try. Knock that thing, get it to work.
It's not making any oil pressure.
Oh no.
I don't like that.
Yeah, give her a love tap.
What?
I say give her a love tap.
Not working. It's got oil pressure. I just don't know why the gauge isn't working.
Well, at least the engines work.
It started working for a second.
Keep tapping it.
It's squeaking out. Alright, whatever, let's go. Alright guys, let's see how well this thing does. You got both ropes in?
Yep.
shallow spots are or nothing, so this could be interesting.
Very gloomy day. Still nice out on the water though.
I've got no oil pressure on one of my gauges, which I don't like. I don't see a red channel marker.
I see green, but I don't think we got the towels out of the van. I only have my one in my bag.
Well, I don't think any of us will be swimming today.
I know, I just got it in case we get cold or wetness on the chairs.
I don't like that. There we go. Something.
It's tweaking.
I don't see another red channel marker.
I don't either. There's one way back that way, but I don't see any coming this way.
Yeah.
I just see green. Is it supposed to be smoking?
Where is it smoking? just steam.
I just didn't see it before. I just now started seeing it, so I just wanted to make sure.
Bunch of crab traps over here.
There's a bird on it.
I don't know where the fuck the channel is.
God damn it.
What?
I didn't bring my piss bottle.
This thing vibrates a lot.
Yeah.
I don't understand why there's no red channel marker. That dude's over there running.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess let's let him breathe a little bit. Well guys, I didn't have the camera recording, but I think we just lost the drive. I smelled gear oil and one of them shot the red line. So yeah, we're gonna mosey on back to the ramp and check it out. Yeah, fun times. We'll get back with you. Smells really bad. Well, fellers, fillettes, and whatever else you may call your thing, we blew up a drive. So we're motoring back on one engine. And thank you to Mr. Seymour Balls for being my first member. I really appreciate you supporting the channel. And you were right. I can turn it with the sticks individually. Not anymore though. Gotta get back to the dock and see what happened. I was on plane, cruising, and then fucking one of the engines shot up RPM. And now we don't have propulsion from one side. So enjoy the view, and we'll get back to you when we're back at the dock. Guys, I'm sorry you didn't get to see the launch or us pulling it out, but something's definitely broken and I can't tell what. The drive looks fine, it goes into gear fine. It's got to be something up top. It pops in and out of gear. I'm just gonna destroy it if I try to use it more. So we'll head back to the hotel and see what we can figure out. And if it doesn't cut to the next clip, I appreciate y'all watching, and I really appreciate the support. Tell me what I can do better, what I can't do better, what I shouldn't be doing. I don't care. Leave me a comment. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.